Hi everyone! Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to sign a document on iPhone. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up the document that you want to sign. In my case, I'll open up the Mail app. Once you are on your specific app, just locate the document that you want to sign. However, take note that this technique only applies to PDF documents. Anyways, to proceed, just tap on this pen right here, and then different kinds of digital pens will pop up. But you just have to click on the plus sign and then tap on Signature. As you can see, I already have some signatures ready. But if you don't have one yet, just tap on Add or Remove. Once here, just find the plus sign again and do your signature. Once you are satisfied, just tap on Done. Then, just place your sign wherever you want it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now sign a document on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.